I vibe code a lot. At this point, I'm building multiple apps every week and not just small scripts. I'm talking about full applications with a front end, back end, and a database. Tools like Replit and others have made it so easy to build apps fast. But the problem is, building is fast, but testing is not. This is a SQL quiz app that I built earlier with Replit. On the surface, it looks amazing. The UI loads, the main feature works, and everything looks the way you would expect. But once I started sharing it with my audience, that's literally where it's starting to break. And that's the reality of most of the vibe-coded apps today. Yes, you can build fast, but when it comes time to actually put it into production, things start falling apart. But that is starting to change because now we have AI who's actually not only building for you, but also testing for you. The app that I'm going to be using is Kane AI. Shout out to Kane AI for also sponsoring this video. What I'm going to do is take the app I built and drop the link directly into Kane AI. Right away, it starts analyzing the app and generating structured test cases using natural language. So instead of just me sitting down and writing a bunch of test scripts, it already understands what needs to be tested. And it's not just basic checks. It's thinking through edge cases, more complex scenarios, and even things like API level validation. Now I can run these tests against the app at once. And this is where it starts getting interesting. It actually catches issues that I didn't even anticipate. Okay, so I have logged into my account, and once you log in, you will go on the left pane here. Now, there are so many options here, but this is a complete testing suite. But what we really want to talk about is Kane AI for the purposes of this demo. So what I'm going to do is click Kane AI and click Agent, and that will bring you to this page. So now on this page, depending on the app that you have, so you have a couple of options. It gives you options for desktop browser, mobile app, mobile browser. So the app that I have built is specifically for desktop browser, the SQL app, the SQL quiz app. So we're going to select that. And then here you have two options, generate scenarios, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, and quick author. So quick author is what we're going to use. When you sign up for this account, you will have some free credits. So feel free to follow along. I'm going to link the link in description below if you want to try it out yourself for any of the vibe coding or other apps that you have built. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to say, I want to complete the quiz link that I have basically add here. And then I want to answer if quiz complete is visible. This is why I think tools like Kane AI is going to change the vibe coding trajectory completely. You're not only going to be able to prototype, but you can also productionize. And as you can see, I didn't have to set anything up. I just gave it the app and it started building test coverage. This is closer to an end-to-end testing agent than just a test generator. So as you can see, what's happening here is pretty powerful. Kane isn't just generating test cases, it's actually understanding the app, the flows, and what needs to be validated. I didn't write a single test. It built everything from context. It can also handle edge cases, complex logic, and even API validation, and it's running full end-to-end test across the app instead of just testing one piece in isolation. And as the app changes, it can update those test cases so you're not constantly rewriting everything from scratch. Okay, now we're back on the homepage of this Kane AI agent. So now I wanted to show you the test scenario, generate scenarios, use cases. So here, what I have is a PRD document, which I created, and it's for an AI analyst app that I'm trying to build. And basically this is very detailed PRD, which has user stories and whatnot. For the demo purposes, let's actually enter and see what happens. So I'm going to hit run. And it's basically going to go through the entire PRD document and try to analyze and create test scenarios. As you can see, it has finished creating the test cases. It has created about 21 test cases under 5 different testing suites. For example, one of them is generating SQL from plain English business question. So here you can actually click on each one of these and see what are the test cases under each test suite. So what you can do next is you can select these test suites that it has created, and you can create an automation for it. Now here, if you already have built the app, you can enter your application URL. Obviously, I don't have the app developed yet. Mine is primarily a PRD, but here you will like enter your application URL and all the test scenarios that it has generated, it will run against and automate for that URL, the application that you have built. And here you will say create and automate, and it will do that for you. So I wanted to quickly demo this for you. So in case you're working with the PRD and app, you can actually take it even one step further and basically build more end-to-end testing use cases starting from your PRD document and address it early on. I'm going to link Kane AI in the description below if you want to test it out for some of the apps that you have built. Definitely check it out and let me know what are your thoughts on agentic testing. Do you think this is the future that we're heading into? All right, with that, I hope you're having a beautiful day and I'll see you in the next video.